Hi Kids News and Reviews. We're the creators of the YouTube channel and series Chef Bisous. I'm Chef Bisous.
And I'm Sous Chef Encore. And this is Magic Micro.
We make fun cooking videos for kids where we learn concepts like shapes, colors, dinosaurs, and more, all through food and song.
Our episodes are interactive, easy to follow, and a great way to spark curiosity while having fun in the kitchen.
Check out these clips from our latest episode on waste sorting. Which bin do the yogurt containers go into, Magic Micro? The recycling bin. The yogurt containers are made of plastic, so they go into the recycling bin. Other things that belong in the recycling bin are plastic bottles, cardboard boxes, glass jars, and paper. Recycling is giving something another chance to be used again. Instead of throwing plastic, glass, or paper in the garbage, they go to a special factory. There they get sorted, cleaned, melted, and broken into tiny pieces. Then those pieces can be turned into something brand new, like another yogurt container, or even a shiny new toy. But here's the important part. Everything needs to be clean before it goes into the recycling bin. If there's still yogurt or food stuck inside, it can't be recycled properly. So before we toss these containers in, we'll need to make sure they're nice and clean. Fruit, because the knife is very sharp. Mini chefs, make sure you have a grown-up help you cut up your fruit. Let's go ahead and remove this banana peel before we cut up the banana into pieces too. You'll notice that this banana is all speckled. That's my favorite way to eat a banana because it's nice and sweet, but you may prefer yours all yellow or even a little bit green. We can now go ahead and sprinkle these fruits onto our yogurt and fruit parfaits. We have some extras, but that's okay. We'll save those for later.
I've got a banana peel, eggshells, fruit skins, apple cores too. Which bin should they go in?
I don't know.
I'm not sure what to do. Which bin should they go in? Can you help me choose? They go in the compost. We know where the waste goes. Doing our best, putting effort in. We know where the waste goes. Find the bin and toss it in.
And if your little chefs want to keep the fun going, you can find all the recipes from our episodes and free activity sheets to go along with them on our website, chefbisous.com.
Come join us in the kitchen for some tasty fun. Subscribe to Chef Bisous on YouTube and let's get cooking.
Chef